What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video. As you can see today, I do have a product from Phiaton. They were kind enough to send me out the Phiaton Bonobeats-lite. So pretty much these are their headphones that they just came out with. They cost around $69.99. And I just want to say thank you for sending me out this product to check out and review. So I'm going to flip it over and show you some of the details on the back. You can pause the video and read these for yourself if you want a little bit more information about the product. I'm going to drop a link in the description so you can go pick these up for yourself, and so you can go read about them if you're interested in picking these headphones up. These are over the ear headphones, so they're not in the ear headphones, and these are light, so they're called light for a reason. They do have some noise cancellation, but it's not what you would expect from something more expensive, but I think these will still be nice to have and to rock on the side if you're looking for something. So these do have Bluetooth capability, and you can connect this to an app, and I will have to show you that in a little bit here. But right now I just want to take you over to their website so you can see that you do get these in two different colors. They sent me out the black, but you also get it in that beige white color. You can pause this video if you want to read more about the product. I just want to talk about it for a little bit and show you the colors that you can get when you purchase this for yourself. And overall, they do look and feel nice in the hand. They are lighter than I thought they would be, just by feel. But anyways, this is the website, and this is some of the features that these Bonobeats-lite have to offer. If you're out there looking for some headphones, some lightweight headphones, you may want to give Phiaton a try. So pretty much I'm just showing you what they look like on the website. And this is the black version. This is the black variant. There's the beige variant. You get your USB-C to USB-C. This is what they look like when you take them out of the packaging. They are very lightweight. Like I said, they do connect to app, and I'll come back and show you how you can connect that to your app. You can use these with your iOS or your Android device. That is very nice. They are very light, like I mentioned before. They look very nice in the hand. They're very small, or smaller than what I thought they would be. And at the top here, you can see you have all your little buttons: your power button, your volume up and down button, your pause and play button, and you have your sync button. So pretty much I'm just showing you around the ear cuffs, showing you what they look like. You can charge these up USB-C to USB-C, and you will be good to go. Now we're going to pair the Bonobeats-lite to my Google Pixel 6 Pro, because this is the device I want to use for the video. So pretty much all you would need to do is pick up a device of your choice and go to the Google Play Store or iOS App Store and download the Phiaton app. Once you download that app, you want to hit install. I'm not going to go through those steps because I already have it installed on my device, but this is what it will look like once you type it in. You want to download it and install it, and once you download this app and install it, then you want to hit open, and it just tells you what it'll be able to do. First, you want to go to Bluetooth. Make sure you have your Bluetooth connected, and then you want to pick up your earbuds. Make sure you press the button to turn your earbuds on, and make sure your earbuds are in pairing mode. And once you get them connected to Bluetooth and in pairing mode, then you can go back into your settings app on your device, and you'll be able to get these connected right up. It shouldn't take too long. So let me get out of all of this and go back into my Bluetooth app and hit pair, hit pairing. Let me type it in real quick, my bad. So find your Bluetooth. Once you detect Bluetooth, make sure it's cut on, then turn it on, and then hit pair new device, and you should see the Bonobeats-lite. They should pop up. If they don't pop up, you might want to try to do it again or make sure that these are paired correctly. But once they pop up, all you want to do is make sure that they're turned on and visible. Then you want to go into the app and connect, and as you can see, it's connecting them to the app. They're already connected Bluetooth to my device, but you have to connect them to the app. And once you do that, you are greeted with the home screen of the app. So it'll show you your headphones, you get the battery percent, you get your ANC, so you can cut the ANC on, off, or to ambient mode. And then you also get a choice of equalization for the sound, but you need to cut music on in order to use the equalizer. But pretty much this is all this app does. You do get different information about software updates and about the map and different things into the app. Not too customizable, but you do need the app if you want to use the ANC and if you want to have access to the equalizer. And pretty much this is all you would need to do to get these connected to your device. I hope this video was helpful, so just rate, comment, and subscribe.